Hey students, I hope all of you are fit and fine. So children, this week in maths we will be starting with subtraction. Now what is the subtraction? Subtraction is the opposite of addition. We have learned that addition means to put things together, right? But subtraction means to take away a smaller amount from a larger amount. Now, for example, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pencils with me. Now, if I take away 2 pencils, then how many pencils are left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there are 4 pencils left with me if I take away 2 pencils from my 6 color pencils. So, this process is called subtraction. Subtraction means, in subtraction we find out what is left or what remains after taking away a small amount from a larger amount. Now let us learn more about subtraction with more examples. Happy learning! So children, in subtraction we find how many are left and what remains. So here's another example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers on a rose plant. Pinky take away or plucked 1 flower. So how many roses are there on the plant now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So children, if we subtract 1 or take away 1 from 4, we get 3. Children, this is the minus sign which indicates subtraction. So again, in the given scenario, we can say that if we subtract or take away 1 rose from these 4 roses, we get 3 roses. Now we will learn subtraction using lines. Here we have to subtract 4 from 9 because the question is 4 less than 9. So as we already know that subtraction means to take away a smaller amount from a larger amount. So here the larger amount is 9. So we will first draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from these 9 lines, we have to take away 4. So let's cross out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have to count the remaining lines to get the answer. How much is 9 minus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, if we take away 4 from 9, we get 5. Now we will learn subtraction using finger marks. I hope all of you are very much familiar with these finger marks. So let's start. Again, 9 minus 4. So first we have to count the bigger number from which we will subtract. So let's count 9 finger marks from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now from these finger marks, from these 9 finger marks, we have to subtract 4 finger marks. So let's cross out 4 finger marks from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to get the answer, how much is 9 minus 4? We will start counting from here till here. Why? Because this is where 9 ended. This is where we have counted 9 finger marks. So we will count the remaining finger marks till here after crossing out 4 finger marks. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 finger marks are left. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So I hope all of you have understood the concept of subtraction. I repeat, subtraction means to take away, or what we have to find out, we have to find out that how many are left and what remains after taking away a small amount from a larger amount. So now I hope you will be able to complete page 40 and 41 of your composite maths. Here you have to read the question and understand what is needed. Then write the answer or the number correctly in the given box. So let me help you with one question. Here, how many bats are there in all? So you have to count the total number of bats you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 bats in all. So we'll write 6 here. Then how many of them are crossed? Now we will count the number of bats that we can see are crossed. 1, 2. So let's write 2 here. How many are left? Now we'll count the number of bats that are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. So after subtracting 2 from 6, we get 4. So we'll write 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So this is how you have to complete the work. You will also do page 42 and 43 of your composite maths. And next you will do page 6 of your mental maths. After you complete your work, please check the answer from the answer sheet that I have given. Thank you.